Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 12C, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, you need to access devices settings. In them, tap on Bluetooth and click on this gray switcher next to Bluetooth in order to activate it. Following that, wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Lastly, just tap on pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, tap on this little icon next to the device, choose Unpair under Rename, and now they're disconnected. You can always connect to the same one by tapping on it and choosing Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!